Okay, this is Jessica again with our Pfaff 260, and we're working on getting the zigzag needle position knob off. And to do so, you will have to take the cam assembly out, and that comes off in, well, you take the front off, the cap off. The cap just has a screw on top, flathead, right there. And then there's other videos out there that show you that there's screws here, here, and there, and two screws here that hold this apparatus on. It sits right there, with two screws, and it goes over another apparatus, which is this little thing here. This, if you're not prepared and take good pictures, will eat your lunch. So you gotta be careful. It has a small spring in there that has to be latched on that little metal right there. And if you look back here, it sits behind the screw right there. And I tape these up after a minute to get everything from stopping to flop around like it does, to be able to get this all reassembled. But what it does is it goes underneath. See, I gotta retape it because it's floppy again. But it goes underneath, and it goes to a little block back there that slides into this piece. It's a little square block. But you have to get this spring right. See, the round part goes over that nub. And then you see what I did, because you have to wrap it around and get it tight or it'll just flop in there. To get it past where the screw is, I used a nylon string that was really heavy duty and pulled it back to get it behind here, and then get behind here and pull it to the last position. And I found that is the best way, without marring this thing up, to get the spring back on. Okay, this is how it looks after it's reassembled, and that little nub sits right there on that little ledge there behind the screw. Nobody talks about that, but that is very important. Okay, I'm putting these things back together. And another thing about this little apparatus, after you get this and pull this to behind the screw here with a string, after you latch the front, because that you got to have it stable somehow, right? Let me get it. Okay, if my nails look bad, I'm sorry. So you get it. Let me just sit down for a second and I'll show you.